I was asked by one of my subscribers here on YouTube to do a top-down analysis on 751S index. Here I'll be analyzing from the higher time frame down to the lowest time frame. I will as well show you guys how to look out for trade opportunities on 751S index on the lower time frame for those who got small accounts. And trust me, 751S index is the best index when it comes to trading on a small account. With an account size less than $1, you can be able to look out for trade opportunities. You can be able to trade on 751S index. There was a time I had a 0.3 cent account size and I randomly placed a trade on 751S index. I was like, the account was gone already. Let me just place this trade and just forget it. And that was a buy trade, I can remember. I came back to that account after 2 to 3 weeks thinking that account was gone. And shockingly, that account was up $22, $20 something in profit, like $21 to $22 in profit on a 0.3 cent account, right? $0.3 account size. Like I just placed a random buy trade thinking the account is blown already. And I came back to that account in profit. So here I'll be showing you guys how to look out for trade opportunities on 751S index if you're a small account size trader. So firstly, we have to have a top-down analysis from a higher time frame. It can be the monthly time frame, right? It can be a weekly time frame, and it can be the daily time frame. Here I'll be starting from the weekly time frame on 751S index. So on this index, you can tell that this market has been at a zone. Basically, it's been ranging, creating equal highs and equal lows. We got the lows at this point, right? And we got the highs at this zone. We got the highs at this zone. So looking at this market formation, looking at this market structure at this point, there's a simple expectation, which is for price to push to the upside, right? For price to push to this level. So technically, we're looking at for buy opportunities on 751S index, and we have an intermediate level of support and resistance, a key level at this point. Basically, this can be seen clearly on a daily time frame. So here on the daily time frame, is seen that this level was a key level of support, right? This was a support level in the past, a historical price level, a level got market reaction in the past. The market bought from as a support, bought from this same level as a support here, right? So we got multiple market reaction on this level as a support at this point too. Support broke, turned resistance, the sales to downside. So price has been trading below this level for days now, for days and weeks. We can tell I've been trading below this key level of support as a resistance. So when price got back to this level, it failed to give a proper sell on it. We got the retest here with these little sells on it. Price failed to give us a proper sell on this broken level of support on resistance, right? So we just got the little sells. Price pushed back inside this level and came to react on our key level of resistance at this zone. So that's been it on this level, right? So price too came back to this level, reacted on it as a resistance and as a support. Resistance at this point, support here, resistance at this zone. So we could expect one thing, which is for price to sell back to the downside to this zone for the buys in the coming days and hours back to this level. Because we said on the weekly time frame that we're expecting the buys to this level, we're expecting price to move to this level, basically. We're expecting price to move to this level. So for price to move to this level, we have to get a good buy zone, right? We have to get a good buy zone on this index, and that can be seen on the daily time frame. So we have this level identified at this point. You have this level to watch out for on 751S index. When you're trading on a small account, you don't get your entry levels on a higher time frame. You have to analyze down to a lower time frame, like the 5-minute time frame, the 1-minute time frame, to get your good entry point, right? So we got this level identified as a level to watch out for on this index. So if you can get price sell to this zone, if you can get price sell to this level, looking out for good buy opportunity on this index to the upside. So at this point, you're looking out for sell opportunities on this index. We are bearish technically on 751S index. So coming to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that this index has been consolidating. Basically, it's been consolidating, creating equal lows and equal highs. We got the lows at this point and we got the highs at this zone. This is a consolidating market. Price has been creating equal highs and equal lows at this zone and is yet to break out of this consolidation. We have this level to watch out for. We got a fake breakout on this level before price broke back inside of it. Price broke back inside of this level. So what do we expect of this index at this point? Remember, we're looking at for sell opportunities, and when we extend this level, we can tell that this has been a level, basically a past level, a historical level of support. Market bottom as a support, the buys here, the buys on this zone as a support. So this has been a key level, we can tell. And when we extend this level too, you can still see that price has been reacting on this level as a resistance, which is seen at this point. Resistance. So this has been a key zone in this index on the 4-hour time frame. We're looking at for sell opportunities on this index. So how do we approach this index? How do we get into the sales on 751S index. You can still see that price is creating this lower highs formation, which is a bearish structure, meaning we have to get the breakout of this consolidation sooner, right? We have to get the breakout of this consolidation. We got this lower high structure and we got this lower lows structure as this zone, which is a bearish formation. So let's expect these sells on this index from this current price level. So how do we get into the trade? How do we take advantage of this trade opportunity? Let's go to the 1 hour time frame basically to have a good look on this index, to have a good view on this index. On the 1 hour time frame, we have this option that the market formed, right? This is an uptrend formation. Market created this higher highs and higher lows formation, which got broken at this point. There was a break of trend at this zone. We can see it clearly here. You can see that there was a break of this uptrend structure, like there was a breakout of this uptrend structure, then a test on it as a trend support, broken, turned resistance at this zone. So you have to look out for sell opportunities on this index, and we have this key level at which price is reacting on, and price is struggling to break below this level. So let's watch out for a possible breakout on this level to sell this index. And we have a level 2, which we also have to identify. We have this level of resistance at this point, right? Let's watch out for this level to short this index. We have this level of resistance at this zone. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame to have a good view on this index. So on the 15-minute time frame on this index, we have this resistance trend which price formed at this zone. Let's identify this market formation first. If we can get price pushed to this level, this identified trend resistance here, we have to look out for good sell opportunity on this index. So my point of target basically to short this index is at this zone. I'm looking out for the sells on this level. If price can push to the upside on 751S index to this identified key level of resistance, as well as our trend resistance which we got at this zone. This trend resistance we got at this point, this trend resistance on the 15-minute time frame, if we can get price pushed to the upside to this level, right, as well as this identified level of resistance, looking out for sell opportunities on this index. So my point of target is at this point, is at this level. My point of target, my sell target level is at this zone. So I'm looking out for sell opportunities on 751S index. I'm looking to short this index at this point. So that's my view basically. Coming to the 5-minute time frame, you can tell that there was a level at this point. If you are to look out for short-term buy opportunities, if you're a small account size trader, you can take advantage of these short-term buys to the upside, right? Because I'm looking out for sell opportunities on this index, expecting price to move to the upside to come test our trend resistance as well as our horizontal resistance level. So for price to move to the upside, it means you have to get the buys on this index. So for a small account size trader, you identify this key level which we got at this zone and buy on this level. Was expecting the buys to the upside for us to sell this index. So you have to take advantage of the short-term buys on this index. So we have this level identified as a support here, a support here, a support as this zone would say, right? A resistance at this zone. So for price to move to the downside, you're likely to get the buys on this index which we are seeing at this point. Price still balls on a test of this level. So for a small account size trader, you have to take advantage of this identified level, these short-term buys to sell this index. So that is, guys, that's a look at for trade opportunities on 751S index. I have a proper analysis from the higher time frame down to the lowest time frame, identify the market key levels and zones, the market direction, and go to the lower time frame to get my good entry point. So that's it, guys. Drop a good comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. To my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for this engaging in my videos. Chilling me a lot, guys. Let's do more and do a wonderful day. Peace. You can see price is still moving to the upside. We're still getting the buys. So small account size traders, identify those levels that got tested multiple times and take advantage of them for short-term trade opportunities. So that's it, guys. Thank you and do have a wonderful day. Peace.